Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Priya from 4th year ECE department and currently I am president of Phoenix Tech Club that is for year 2021-22. Today we will be telling you guys about Phoenix, the official tech club of Netaji Subhas Engineering College. So let's start. What's Phoenix? Around 2005-6, a group of people decided that the college needed a tech club and that's how Phoenix came into existence. It is nothing but a group of people who know how to have fun but at the same time learn things which will come handy during your 4 years of college. So before diving headstrong into slides and statistics, let's take a look what an average day working with Phoenix looks like.
Hey guys, this is Indranil Shaharoy from 4th year EC. I am the Vice President for Phoenix for 21-22 session. Now that we have seen the video, let's address the elephant in the room. What is a tech club? What does it do? And finally, what is Phoenix all about? To answer these questions, I would like to now call upon Shreya Kumari to enlighten us.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya Kumari, fourth year IT student of NSCC and I'm the current treasurer of Phoenix. As we know, Phoenix is the tech club of our college. It's in the name itself, right? It's a tech club. But it's not only the technical things or only the technical events that you get to be a part of here. Just a few seconds back, a video was presented to you and you got a glimpse of some of the many events organized by Phoenix till date. You can guess from that only that it's not only the coding and stuff that we dedicate our time to here in Phoenix. But no need to guess only. In some time, you will get to know the details about the different wings of Phoenix. And from there, you will get an idea about the different kinds of events organized by us. Yes, we do coding, and there are different forums for these things. But the forums are not only limited to these coding languages, you can learn graphic designing, robotics, and many other skills with us. I have been a part of Phoenix for years now, and take my word for it, it's been a beautiful journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. I hope that answered most of the questions that would be running in the mind. Now, as mentioned by her, we have different wings within Phoenix. Those are as follows. Number one, Robonix. This tech wing deals with robotics and gears and grease. Second, Lensify. It's all about snapshots of reality. Next, Nirman. We architects for tomorrow are built up here. Next, Eloquence. It's the way of voice. Next, Pixesta. Here, we unleash the artist. Last but not the least, Cyber cybernetics, the hacking to the gate. Now let's get deep dive in each one of them.
So the first wing that we are going to talk about is robotics. As the name suggests, it basically deals with robots. Well, not the Transformers kind, but yes, you will be guided by your seniors to build things like remote control cars and line following bots. Being a part of this wing, you will definitely get to work with the hardware equipments and get the pleasure of building new things from the scratch.
Coming to cybernetics, this wing deals with all technical stuffs, whether it be coding or be web development or be it learning different domains as per interest of students. Here, we aim at learning together and growing to come up with like-minded and strong techie peoples, empowering society for better development.
Now we have eloquence. It is indeed the way of the voice. No matter how brilliant you are, you must be able to put your thoughts to words. If public speaking and heated debates are your thing, this is just the place for you. In this wing, we work on developing your interpersonal skills and make sure you have the confidence to make yourself heard.
Nirman, this tech club deals with programs that are beneficial for civil and mechanical engineers in particular. But it's not like only these people could attend this. Anyone who are interested in this, it's open for all. Here, there are different sub-programs that run within Nirman, like city planning, BrickoArch, Bridgeomania, AutoCAD, ServoLayer, and many more. And these all things are in details taught by your very own seniors who are knowledgeable and friendly enough for open discussion. So it's a very good platform if one of you want to excel in this field.
We now have Lensified. This wing, again, as the name suggests, is all about clicking pictures, videography, and capturing memories. Here, you guys would be taught the way of the camera. Working with experienced seniors, you get to develop yourself so that each picture you take speaks 100 words.
Finally, we have Pixesta. This is the most recent wing launched by us, and it deals with graphic designing, creative arts, and all other artistic activities. As we all know, no events are complete without posters and editors. Here, we give opportunity for the people who have interest in this area to enhance their skills by brushing up their knowledge when and where required.
So that brings us to the end of the wings. Now, all of this might sound very overwhelming to you guys, but fret not. We will be there to guide you through it all. All of you must find these concepts very new and strange. Most of you probably have no idea what an Arduino is or what graphic designing includes. That's where we come in. Us who have already experienced all of this before will work with you people so that one day you find yourselves on the other side of the table.
Now, at this very point of time, I know many of you would having this question in your mind. Is it like only a specific branch of people can be included? Like if I am from BME or I am from MCA or I am from BBA, whether I will be able to be part of Phoenix or not? So for answering this question, I would like to call upon Ushika.
Hi everyone, I'm Ushika and I'm the social media manager for the 2021-22 session. And I myself am from final year BME. Well, traditionally, Phoenix has been dominated by people from IT or CSE. But in recent years, more and more people from other branches have been joining our team. As you see, technology isn't bound to any one discipline. In the 21st century, all kinds of people from all around the world require advancing technology and all the benefits that come with it. No knowledge ever goes wasted. So you'll regularly learn new things, including technical stuff, teamwork, building interpersonal relationships, and so much more. For example, even a BME student can gain benefit by learning coding, graphic design, robotics, as all of these qualities are highly sought after in the job market. Additionally, you'll also develop your soft skills and be able to express your creative side through wings like Lensified or Eloquence. So if you want to develop your skills, Phoenix is very beneficial for you.
Thank you, Ushika. I hope that answered most of your questions. Now, coming to events part. These are the main events that are conducted by Phoenix every year, starting with Brainstormer. This event is inter-college quiz competition held by Phoenix every year for all the quiz heads. It's an amazing platform for showcasing your current affairs knowledge, and we have exciting swags for all the winners and participants. Trust me, I would personally suggest all the people who have interest in quiz to take part in it. Now coming to Avahan, it's intra-college competition. This is conducted every year before Avenir so that all the newcomers get an idea what all events will be taking place in Avenir and how they have to compete and win in all those. Here, you will get an exposure of all the rules and regulations you need to follow in order to reach to your goal. Last but not the least, my personal favorite, Avenir. This is the official tech fest of Netaji Subhas Engineering College organized by Phoenix. It's 3 day long event. Here, there are many different events conducted ranging from robotics Range Rover to games like chess, FIFA, to debates, city building, photo walk, and many more. There are more than 22 plus events in total, and every year we have huge footfalls in college. This event will be remembered by you guys even after leaving the college, and you will be waiting for it to come next year always. Trust me when I say this. Apart from this, we have many more small events that are regularly conducted by Phoenix, like Git learning sessions, photo walk, like Pixesta newsletter, and many more. Join us and you will be getting to know all about this.
Concluding with what you get on being a member. First, we give all of you a platform to learn and showcase your skills. We also aim to build a community for you guys to fall back if need be. We encourage you guys to work on yourself and aspire to be the best version of oneself. And of course, participation in events get you certificates which ultimately get you the much needed MAR points.
That's all from our side. But before concluding, let's get some common questions answered.
Is it possible to manage college studies and working in Phoenix at the same time?
I would like to answer this question. Myself, Ankit Burma from fourth year Civil Department, and currently I am the Assistant Secretary of the Phoenix. Yes, it is absolutely possible to do both the things and beneficial as well. Working together with tech clubs gives you real world learning opportunities and sort of well rounded education. There are many things that I have learned during my course, and I've used that of my knowledge in Nirman events. Apart from this, there are lots of forums conducted by Phoenix that helped me to enhance my knowledge and enhance my communication and leadership skills. I hope I have answered the question correctly. Thank you.
What are the benefits apart from certifications that we will get from Phoenix?
I would like to answer this question. Hello everyone, I am Seema Rani from 4th year IT department. I am the Vice President of Phoenix for the session 2021-22. So according to the question, there are definitely many other benefits that one acquire from Phoenix apart from certification, which I believe is secondary stuff. I would like to give my own experience as an example for supporting this. I've been working with Phoenix since my first year, and I have got opportunity to take part in different activities like public speaking, event management, task, and many more, which helped me in my overall development. This also helped me in my placement, as these are the skills which are mostly required during an interview apart from technical knowledge. So I hope this answers this question. Thank you.
And finally, how will we get to know about the different activities that is organized by Phoenix?
I would like to answer this question. Hi guys, myself Vimal from IT final year, and I am the convener for this academic session. All the events and activities that are organized by Phoenix are updated on our WhatsApp and Telegram group, along with other handles like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You can also reach us at our email on info@phoenixncc or visit our website, which is Phoenix NCC, or you can contact any of our core members for further queries.
That's all from our side. We hope that this video gives all the answers to the questions commonly asked and help you to know about Phoenix in a better way. So thank you for being such a great sport, and we really hope to see you guys joining us and becoming part of us. Thank you.